Good morning, class 11th. Today is 25th April and today we will do a numerical based on how to convert an exclusive series into less than and more than cumulative frequency distribution. Hope you understand what we are going to do today. We will learn how to convert an exclusive series into less than cumulative frequency distribution. Then we have to learn how to convert it into more than cumulative frequency distribution. As you are seeing this table in this 100 to 110, 110 to 120, 120 to 130, 130 to 140, 140 to 150, 160. These frequencies are given 10, 6, 9, 1 and this total is this 40. So when we will convert into less than cumulative frequency distribution, we have to write one word always, that is less than, less than, less than, less than, less than and less than. Then less than what? From where we will start? So if we have to start from writing less than from the upper limits, from the upper limit, this right end. So first one will be less than 110, then less than 120, then less than 130, then less than 140, less than 150, less than 160. I have written these values. Now how you will get these CFs? These are CFs, cumulative frequency. These are CF means cumulative frequencies. Now how you will get these cumulative frequencies? You have to start adding from top. In first column it is written 10, so you will write 10 only. In next it is given 6, so what you will do? You will do 10 plus 6. What you will do? 10 plus 6 will give you 16. Then next value is 9. What you will do? 16 plus 9, that is 25. Next value is 11. What you will do? 25 plus 11, that will give you 36. Then next value is 3. Then in this 36 plus 3 will give you 39. And then last value is 1. Then that 39 plus 1 is 40. Always this 40 and this 40 will be same. The last value and the total value will be same. It means then your question will be correct. Hope you are understanding. In less than, we are adding from upside, that is in first column we write 10, then 10, 6, 16, then 16 and 9, 25, then 25 and 11, then 36, 36 and 3, then 39, 39 and 1, 40. And we are using upper limits. Now let's have a look in more than cumulative frequency. What we do? We use the word now more than. Here we use less than, here we use more than. Here we have used upper limits, here we will use lower limits. Means we will start from this side 100, and here we have done from upper limit, that we have started from 110. So here our these columns will be more than 100, more than 110, more than 120, more than 130, more than 140, more than 150. These are left lower limits, so we will write these only. So more than 100, more than 110, more than 120, more than 130, more than 140, more than 150. In this we go from down to up. We go from down to up. At last we write more than 150, more than 150. In this column how much is there? 1. So more than 150 is 1. So now Now what we have to do? We have to do this कि 1 is there already, so in this 1 plus 3 downside we will do from now. 1 plus 3 will give you 4. Then next is 4, you are having 4 plus 11 will give you 15. Then this 15 plus 9, that will give you 24, this 9. Then you are having now 24 plus 6, it will give you 30. Then 30 plus this 10 will give you 40. So to make our question easy, in this we add from upside, in this we add from downside. In the difference is there, in this we use this value is upper limits, in more than we use this value, they are lower limits. So now this and this is your less than cumulative frequency table, and this is your more than cumulative frequency table. Hope you have understood these both the questions. The pencil things are for your understanding. This is your rough portion. Then in 7th question I have given you 2 questions, part A and part B. You have to solve them yourself. You will show to me the solutions, and you will do today. You have to do these questions in your fair notebook, question number 6 and question number 7. Hope beta you have understood this today's topic. Thank you and have a nice day.